What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are in week 5 of the strength phase, and today is day 1, squat focused day. We have low bar squats, but honestly, that is not the main focus of today's video. What I wanted to go over today is what's actually helping build my squat, which is my alternate lift, the high bar pause squat. Before I do get into my alternate lift, the high bar pause squats, I still got to hit my main work, which is the low bar squat / my competition squat. I have 6 sets of 4 with 345 pounds, so let's get into it. All right, so like I said, today is going to be a squat focused day, but that is not the main importance of this video. Today, what I wanted to go over is my alternate lift, which is the high bar pause squat, and why it's beneficial and how I implement it into my training program. Before I go into my high bar squats, I just wanted to go over real quick the difference in bar placement between high bar and low bar. For my competition squat, I use the low bar squat, which the barbell is on basically my rear delts. All right. For the high bar squat, the bar is going to be placed on my traps. All right. For the competitions, the reason why I use low bar squat for my competition squat is because I'm hamstring dominant. It uses more of your hips and lower back. So it's more advantageous to me to use the low bar squat for the highest numbers that I could get in a meet. Now, the high bar squat, which is the bar is higher on your back, on your traps, instead of the shelf on your rear delts. The high bar squat uses primarily your quads and your back. It's as good for carryover because if you use a low bar squat and you've seen people fold over, it looks like that good morning squat. This is going to help with the upper back strength and put more drive using the quads. Again, the main reason why I'm using the high bar pause squats is because it is more quad dominant. It's going to help me get in better position, and it's going to make me more explosive out of the hole. All those are my weak areas in the low bar squat, and they're going to carry over to that and help assist me and improve the low bar squat. You're eliminating the stretch reflex. So it makes me more explosive because I'm lifting from a dead stop. Hard trying to build up your competition squat. Don't just keep trying to max out or keep trying to add numbers to the bar week after week. It's very important to try out different variations that are targeting your weak areas in the lift and then building those weak areas. What you're essentially doing is building a suit of armor, all right? You're building a suit of armor for all your weak areas so you won't have any weak positions in the lift. Also, remember with these high bar pause squats, I'm not just bouncing it, all right? I'm coming down, I'm pausing for about 1 to 2 seconds. What this is gonna do is it's gonna eliminate the stretch reflex. By training from a dead stop, I'm gonna be more explosive when coming out of the hole. All right, so if your low bar squat is stuck, don't just keep trying to max out or putting weight onto the bar week after week, hoping that your numbers aren't gonna improve. Find your weak points and try out different variations that are gonna help you overcome your limiting factors. All right, if you made it this far in the video, thank you, I appreciate it. If you appreciate me, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to have yourself a nice day. Peace.